Let's see what Vosteed is up to. We have a Vosteed Shilin cutter, and it looks like they're doing a refresh to it. If we can get in here and put the password. Hello, can I open the box? Thank you. Here we go. Let's see what the refresh on the Shilin cutter is all about. All right, we got the knife pouch right there. We got some paperwork, a wiping cloth, right, little card and a sticker. But here we go. Let's take a look. The Shilin cutter is actually one of my favorite Vosteeds. I do like the geometry on it. It's actually very unique, very interesting. Here we go. For starters, ladies and gentlemen, we have the, I want to say this is the, there's a specific name for it. I'll put it on the screen. This particular mic card right here has been really popping with Vosteed lately. I know Kaiser has been doing it as well quite a bit. And it looks like they have it going on here all throughout the handles. The liners are recessed and we have a matching micarta backspacer. And the good news is we got the V anchor lock on this one as well. We got a front flipper, back flipper, and thumb stud. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Bam, there is the geometry on the Shilin cutter, right? Beautiful leaf-shaped geometry, kind of kukri style with a full flat grind. This thing is super thin, super slicey. I mean, absolutely great geometry for everyday use. It kind of gives you a little bit of belly, right? Like a good drop point blade. It also gives you a tip nice and low, just like a Warncliffe or a Sheepsfoot blade. So it definitely has the best of both worlds if you ask me, and I absolutely love it for that. We have a good plunge grind situation and we have a very strong locking system. If you haven't looked into the V anchor lock, I want to say Vosteed debuted it maybe a year or 2 years ago, and I mean, I've been just loving every single model that comes out with the V anchor lock. Deep pocket carry clip, somehow not reversible. That will probably be my only piece of feedback. Just a filler tab right there so that lefties can enjoy, right, the V anchor lock. After all, I mean, you got everything you need to make it an ambidextrous knife. I'm not even left-handed, and I'm over here making it work. I feel like, hold on a second, the thumb studs might be a little bit loose. This might be a good time to bring out the Drive-R-Saurus here from Kansept EDC. That looks like it's going to be a T6, so let's just go ahead and adjust that really quick. It comes with a diversified bit set right there, so let me just go ahead and swap these out really quick and just tighten up that thumb stud. Otherwise, it's going to drive me a little insane. I mean, for the first time ever, a thumb stud comes a little bit loose. That has never happened. But yeah, quick fix, not a big deal at all. So we got thumb stud deployment. That front flipper is going to be pretty sweet as well. And we got a back flipper also going on there. The great news as far as ergos go, right, we got a full 4-finger grip, able to get a full purchase, right, with average size hands, and then you can forward choke as well for better control. It works really good with this pinch like this, or a little pinch grip for package opening, Amazon box cutting and things like that. So very nice. Again, a very slicey geometry, ergos. I mean, as far as squeezing on the handle, they have a very comfortable pocket clip. This thing has been tried and true here for years now. Great recipe for a pocket clip. And so, I mean, overall, you're getting a very fidgety knife that's also going to be very, very strong. Again, if you're brand new to the V anchor lock, I mean, this is one of the strongest and also coolest pivot-oriented locking systems out there in the market. And with this new refresh, right, we got the sort of rose gold. I know some companies call it something different. Copper, bronze looking blade here. 154 cm steel. It's a good combo, right, with the blue, if you ask me. Got the blue hues. Got some natural micarta going on there. Got that ripple effect going on the handle. That's looking absolutely sweet. And I am here for it. The Shilin cutter making an absolute great first impression here. Definitely a Vosteed you should look into. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.